Hi everyone, I'm so excited. My husband found a nest this year too. Last year we had a few of them, and one of them I was watching. It was eggs in there, and then it hatched, and the babies were there for a few days and then they were gone. So I am really happy to have this nest.
One thing I really love in spring and summer is the sound of the birds. They always come in really early in the morning and all that sound, oh my god, I love that sound of birds. You can hear some now, but early in the morning they usually can hear them a lot. Baby, no eggs here yet. I just love those birds. I wish this year to come, like, for some of them to come back and have some nests in here. And when my husband showed me this, I was so happy. Okay.
He's not going to replace it, but he's going to fix it, and it's going to be nice. He's going to do
Okay.
the whole thing for $800.
$800?
Yeah.